me.
With just his guitar and his booming voice, Marcio Novelli captivates crowds wherever he goes. Novelli has been nominated for 2 Hamilton Music Awards this year, Adult Alternative Recording of the Year and Local Group of the Year by People's Choice. Novelli has won an HMA in the past for his EP in 2009 and is ecstatic about the new nominations 4 years after his last award.
It's honestly an honor to be nominated. So I know everyone says that, but I really mean that. The album's just come out physically, and the documentary is getting some great reaction, and just to be nominated at the Hamilton Music Awards on top of all that is just phenomenal.
Novelli created a documentary called Walking Proof to capture the making of his first studio album titled It's Not an Excuse, It's a Reason. He recently showed his documentary at the Real Indie Film Fest in Toronto, and it has received 5-star reviews from acclaimed reviewers.
I basically made that for people who follow my music already. I just wanted to bring them on the journey with me of the making of the album. And it turns out that people that never even heard of me before found it attractive and found it that they were drawn to it, and had a few people say that they're now fans of me because of that. So it kind of works both ways. At the end of the day, I really just made it because I just completely thrive to create constantly, whether it's through music or film or painting, whatever I do, it's always about creating.
Novelli also released his first music video for Dr. Please on YouTube, which has received over 100,000 views since it was posted last month. The single is off his new album, a solid 3 to 4 year effort from Novelli, who picked the tracks meticulously to tell a story. Novelli will play a show on November 15th at Homegrown Hamilton as part of an HMA showcase before he hits the East Coast for his tour. He will return to Hamilton, his hometown, in January, as he appreciates the support his home gives him.
Being nominated by your hometown means a lot. I think the scene in Hamilton is interesting. There's different kinds of scenes that you'd have to I don't know where I kind of fall into, because there's not really a scene for what I'm doing. But Hamilton's been really good. Some really amazing people in Hamilton have shown me some beautiful love and support.
Reporting for Ignite News, I'm Alicia Gallant.